Stop hiding your dark elbows and knees. Kahit anong cream na gamitin mo, parang dark and rough pa rin. Try this simple 3 ingredients DIY but let's keep it realistic. Hindi ito instant whitening treatment, okay? Here's everything we need, super simple lang. 1 teaspoon toothpaste. Gives a cooling feeling. 1 teaspoon glycerin. This help attract moisture and can make dry skin feel softer and less tight. 1 tablespoon calamansi juice. May natural acid ito pero pwede rin itong makairita especially sa sensitive skin. Mix everything in a clean bowl until combined. Then apply a thin layer onto your elbow and knees. Massage very gently for around 20 to 30 seconds, no need to scrub hard. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. After rinsing, apply a gently moisturizer. Here's the important part. Most importantly, moisturize regularly. Dryness and friction can make elbow and knees look rough and darker. Patch test first and never use this on broken, irritated, or freshly shaved skin. After using it, your skin may feel softer and smoother, especially if dryness is consistency with gently care and moisturizing is more important than scrubbing harder.